right here is my workout corner. And of course, when you are at work, you burn lots of calories. Take a look. 1 million steps. Now guys, I'm just kidding. It's 13k. So basically, I work 4 days a week, and most of my shifts are from 11 to 11, so which means like 12 hours. And when I get back home or before I go to work, I have a lot of school stuff to work on. So yeah, I mean, I try to keep myself fit even when I'm at work. So yeah, today I just do chest. So there are two main muscle parts that I can focus on while I'm at work. Mostly chest and arms, and the second one is legs, of course. So I work out 2 days. So I work 4 days, I'll rest, work out 1 day, rest 1 day, work out 1 day and rest 1 day. And the other days I'll be playing soccer or just going for a short run. So yeah, I just try to do body weight exercises and try to keep myself fit even when I'm at work, because you guys know me, I love to eat, and most of the things that I like are very, very fatty. KFC, mookata. Yeah, even mookata, I only order pork belly. And the things that my mom cooked for me are all incredible, so I'll eat a lot. So if I don't do a minimal exercise, I'm gonna get really, really fat really, really fast. So yeah, that's how I keep myself fit. So most of the time I'll just do 500 push-ups, just regular push-ups, nothing special. But now 500 straight, I'll try to separate them like 20 30 20 30 20 30 and so on and so forth. And yeah, today chest day, tomorrow is gonna be my rest day, and the next day is my legs workout. And for my legs, I don't really do a lot of reps, maybe 200 and most. So yeah, let's just roll on to my leg workout. Today is a beautiful rainy day, and right now I'm having my breakfast before I go off to work, and my go-to breakfast, of course, Kaya butter toast. Leg days are never easy, man.
Alright, people. Wow. Yeah, I'll wait for your. Right, for me. Go, you teacher. Hello. Teach us.
Teacher.
Teach me. Teach me, teacher. We have children. Children, everyone. Children.
I have one lecturer who talks like that.
Yes, a two pro. Imagine sweet, but pandan is not sweet. But because of the things that we eat, right? Tang Yuan na, beer has briny notes. Maybe Highland. What else? Isla, Campbelltown. Campbelltown. Yeah, there's quite a number of lowland. So there's a lot of categories of region of whiskey. But today we're talking about Isla. Isla is very smoky. But the word is not smoky. You should not use the word smoky. Peaty. P-E-A-T-Y. So whiskey itself, unaged spirit. Then they put into the barrel itself. So it depends on what barrel you use. So in American whiskey they use new American wood, which is a lot of flavors
Smell.
of cinnamon, vanilla that's imparted in there. So it's very different. This one mostly they use charred barrel, so it's burnt in the inside. So this is 16, very commonly drank people want to age. So there's sherry, there's different kind of sherry casks. So sherry is another category of wine, Spanish wine. So there's a lot of categories. Yeah.
So that's a wrap, guys. Did my leg day. I'm super tired. I'm so ready for bed. And yeah, so today after work we did some whiskey tasting, whiskey drinking slash whiskey knowledge, whiskey training, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, it was pretty interesting. Drink some 3 bottles of Lagavulin. It's a Scotch whiskey. And yeah, we're just listening to the stories and yeah, how the drinks come about. It's pretty interesting. I'm still new to whiskey and stuff. I mean whiskeys and spirits. But yeah, I think it's pretty interesting. I'll try to read more about it. I mean, yeah, very, very interesting the way that they make it, and yeah, pretty cool. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in another vlog.